Barbara Lapointe is in the house.
How are you?
It's good to see you. Well, you're in the penthouse anyway.
This is spectacular.
Well, if you're like me and you get this reference, you'll be as old as me. It's kind of like the Jeffersons. You're moving on up. You're on the 28th floor at Icon Vallarta. Let's show you the crappiest part.
All right, let's check it out. Oh my God, Dan, the view. This is why we're here in Vallarta.
This is why we live in Vallarta.
It's gorgeous. I could get used to cooking in this kitchen, or all the best bars and restaurants are here. So, but
Doing a pinch.
so, anyways, I'm excited to be here. What are we looking at today?
This is a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom penthouse in Icon Vallarta on the 28th floor. Technically, we got a 29th floor above us.
Okay.
Full patio on the second level, and I can't wait to show you.
Sounds amazing. Let's go. This has been so much fun.
I'm so happy you came by.
It's been a blast. Thank you for taking the time to show us the Icon property today.
Barbara Lapointe, it's so good to see you. Thank you so much for coming by and checking it out.
Thanks, Dan. And thanks for tuning in to Paradise Living. If you liked this episode, please comment, share, and subscribe.